and welcome to our advice and guide on how to search and register for classes at Montclair State University. Start first by logging into Nest. On the left side menu, click Registration, then select Registration Information. On this page you'll have several options. Browse Schedule by Term, which will let you view classes for planning purposes. Register for classes, view your schedule and add drop. This page will let you register and update your schedule. And view holds. This will bring you to Degree Audit, where you can check for any holds that you may have. If you scroll further down on this page, you'll see a list of common holds and information on how to resolve each one. Now on to registration. Start by clicking Register for Classes. To confirm your registration ready, click Prepare for Registration. On this page, you can confirm your registration status is good to register, confirm you have no holds, and check your number of earned credits, which will impact when you can register, and check your current class standing, for example, freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. Now head back to the previous page and click Register for Classes. Select a term. Here we'll be using Fall 2024 for this demo. When registering, if you know the CRN or course reference number, you can enter that number directly into the Enter CRNs tab. If you don't know that number yet, or you want to look up additional options, click on Find Classes. Enter the course you would like to search for. Here, we will search for CMST 101 for our example. Put the information in and click Search. For this search, you can see our results included 70 classes. The search defaults to 10 classes per page, however, you can change this at the bottom to see more classes. To learn more information about the class, click on the name of the class. This will bring up the course information box, which will include details such as the CRN number, section details or course detail, which includes a description for the course, as well as any prerequisites that may be necessary. You can also see the instructor meeting times, which will give you more information about the location and instructional modality the course is offered in. You may also want to check if a class you're interested in has any restrictions. Some courses may have restrictions requiring you to be enrolled in a certain major or a certain class level to access. To see the instructional method, click on Class Details. Montclair offers courses in several different methods. Hawk to Hawk, which is our face-to-face. Hawk Sync, which are our synchronous classes. These require a meeting and are typically held over Zoom or other online platform. Hawk Asynchronous. These are fully online classes that do not require meetings at a specific time, or hybrid. Pause here to read more about each modality type. For hybrid courses, instruction can be offered several different ways. Classes could be a mix of in-person and online, such as Zoom, or they may have in-person meetings one day and asynchronous work required. Some hybrid classes may meet every other week or even once a month. Here's an example of what a schedule would look like for a class that meets once a month on average, and you can see the meeting dates are noted. You may also see a course that says requires a sync meeting or work and has a meeting time. This is a hybrid course. So now you've found a class that you want to register for. What do? We click the Add button at the end of the row. This will add the class to your summary. Very important. Registration is a two-step process. First, you need to add the class to your summary, and then you must click Submit. Once the status changes from pending to registered in green, then you are registered. Please note that a class can fill while it's pending on your registration summary, so be sure to submit often and do not leave this page without saving your schedule. If you change your mind on a class that you're registered for, you can remove the class from your summary by clicking Action and remove if the class is pending, or drop if registered. Be sure to hit Submit and the class will be removed from your summary. And that's how you search and register classes. Be sure to check out our video on using the advanced search feature for more tips.